South Florida has a vibrant and thriving Haitian community, and the month of May is Haitian Heritage Month, a chance to showcase rich traditions and culture. And WPTV's Todd Wilson introduces you to two inspiring young men and their journeys from Haiti to South Florida.
I'm one of five. So four of us were born in Haiti. My youngest sibling was born here in the United States.
Jonathan Desouvre is living the American dream. But like many immigrants, he's held on to his distinct heritage, that of being Haitian.
It was tough because a whole new world. My mom and my dad were doing fine in Haiti, but we had to start all over.
According to the 2018 U.S. Census, there were over 1 million Haitian Americans living in the U.S. The state with the largest Haitian population was Florida, with just over 400,000. The month of May is Haitian Heritage Month, an observance that's been recognized by the city of West Palm Beach to Palm Beach County schools.
I want people to see it as an opportunity to celebrate a culture that's not too far from South Florida, that's embedded in South Florida.
I don't keep secrets from you, Margaret.
It's affecting our marriage, Lucius.
Then it's fitting to touch on the short film, The Sweetest Girl, a love story set in Haiti. Desouvre wrote, and fellow Haitian composer Daniel Bartley Jr. did the score for. Bartley says embracing his heritage has influenced his art.
As a Haitian people, we have a lot that we've contributed, that we contribute, and will continue to contribute in the future.
Both men say there's a celebration in a Haitian household every day. Desouvre says Haitian Heritage Month is a point in time to reminisce, but also enlighten.
I also feel the responsibility for the next generation to tell them that, yes, now as Haitian Americans, we're doing some amazing things, but there's more to come.
In Palm Beach County, Todd Wilson, WPTV, News Channel 5.